Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hello everybody. Okay, now we want to continue our lesson in a topic decimals. Okay, what is a decimals? It's very easy. Wait, what happened to my computer? Okay, here. The decimal numeral system is the standard system for denoting integer and non-integer number. Okay, the first lesson we want to do right now is a convert fraction to decimals. Okay, we want to convert fraction to decimals. Okay, before this you already learned a topic in fraction. Now we want to relate fraction and a decimal in a one topic. For example, one, I have, wait, example 1, I have 1 over 10. Okay, I have 1 over 10. I want to convert into decimals. It's very easy to do because we only use a divide operation. Okay, if we want to convert fraction to decimals, we use divide operation. If you want to convert decimals into fraction, we use a multiply. Okay, now we divide this one. Okay, 10, 1 divide into 10. You have 1 pencils. You want to divide or distribute 1 pencil into 10 people. It's a very impossible to give 1 pencil to 10 people. Okay, but you can cut this pencil into pieces to give to 10 people. Okay, for example, this one. So we are using 10, so we must have a timetable 10 here. So in a timetable 10, we don't found any number 1, but we can put a decimals here. Okay, if here you put decimal, at the top also you must put decimals. Okay, so after you put decimal, put 0, 1 0 here, and then 1 0 here. Okay, now the number already become 10. The number become 10. See, we have already 10. So put 10 here, 1, because 1 times 10 equals to 10. So the number will be like this. 1 over 10 equals to 0.1. Okay, this is for example 1. Okay, example 2, I have this one. 3 over 10. Convert into decimals. Okay, we are using a same method, use a divide operation. We put 3 divided by 10. Okay, here in a timetable 10 we don't found any number 3, so you put decimal here. Here also you put decimal. Here you put 0. Okay, now put 1 0 here, so the number already become 30. So you put 30. 10 times what become 30? 10 times 3. So after you minus, the answer will be 0. So the answer will be 3 over 10 equals to 0.3. Okay, here have 1 0. Here also have 1 0. Okay. Example 3. I have 1 over hundreds. Okay, 1 over hundreds. So we still using a same method. Okay, we still using a same method in a divide operation. Okay, in a divide operation. 1 divided by 100. So we don't find any number 1 in 100 because in timetable 100s the numbers start from 100s. So you must put decimals. Here also you put decimal and don't forget to put 0. Okay, after you finish put decimal and 0, you put 10 here. Okay, I want to ask you now, did you find number 10 in timetable hundreds? Okay, we don't found any number 10 in timetable 100 because the numbers start from 100s. So if 10 don't found in a timetable 100, so you may put a 0 here. Okay, so put another 0, and then the number already become 100, so you might put 100 here and then you minus, so number become 0.01. So the answer will be 1 over 100 equals to 0.01. Okay, here we have 1 0 2 0 1 0 2 0. Okay, did you notice something? Okay, never mind, we go to the next example. 4. Okay, I have 9 over 100. Sorry, 9 over 100. So you still using a same method. 9 100. So we don't find any number 9 in 100s, so we put here. Put another 0. Still we don't found any 90 in timetable hundreds because the first number is 100. So put another 0. Then we put another 0 here, so the number become 900. So you may put 900s. You minus 0 0 0. What times by 100 become 900? So the answer will be 9. So the answer will be 9 over 100 become 0.09. You got 1 2 1 2 0. The last example I give to you is 84 divided by 100. Okay, 84 divided by 100. Okay, never mind. Still using the same method. You put 84 inside and put 100 outside. Okay, timetable 100. 100, 200, 300, 400. Okay, now 84 divided by 100. 84. First thing you put decimal here first. And then you put 0. So the number already become 840. Okay, we can use 800. So you may put 8 here. Then you minus here 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. Become 40. Okay, we can put another 0, but no need to put 0 here. Okay, no need to put 0 here. Okay, so you put 0 4 here, you minus, come 0, so you put 4. So the answer will be 0.84. Okay, the answer will be 0.84. Okay, we are complete example for converting fraction into decimals. Okay, now we are going further. We want to shade diagram to show the given decimals. Okay, in standard 2 also you learn already this one. Okay, for example, I have 100 square box here, and then I give you 3 over hundreds. Okay, how to answer this question? So here we have 100. That means you must have 100 square box here. So here already you got 100. Okay, total of square box. This one 3 is the shaded area. So you must shade how many box? So 3 only. 1, 2, 3. So we finish already. Okay, 3 only because 3 over hundreds. Example number 2. I have question. 29 over hundreds. Okay, 100 stand for total of square box, and 29 stand for shaded area. Okay, so you must shade 29 box. Okay, from this one to this one we have 10 box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here 10, here also must be 10. So already we have 20 box here. So we must shade another 9. So we already finished to shade this area. So shade nicely, you must shade nicely. You cannot do like me. Okay, you must shade nicely. Okay, now example 3 is very difficult for you. 0.4. How to do this one? 0.4. Okay, the first thing, if you confuse, you just convert into fraction. 0.4 stand for 4 over 10. Okay, stand for 4 over 10. Because here we got already 1 0, here also 1 0. Okay, so 4 over 10. But teacher Arif, here we have 100 square box. Okay, the question is 4 over 10. Okay, if you put another 0 here, this one not your level. Sorry, this one is standard 4. Sorry, I tried to erase this one first. Okay, the question will be like this. 0.30. Okay, 0.30 you try to convert into fraction. Okay, if you convert to fraction, you must times by what? Time by 100 lah. So 0.30 times by 100. Okay, the answer will be 30 over 100. Okay, 30 over 100. So we must shade 30 box. So 1, 10, 20, 30 box. Okay, make sure you shade nicely. Make sure you shade nicely. Example number 4. 0.07 convert into fraction, there will be 7 over hundreds. Okay, 7 over hundreds. So you must shade only 7 area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Finish already. Okay. Teacher Arif, I have one question here. How to make a easier method to change decimal into fractions? Okay, I have one easiest method for you. Okay, if for example 0 sorry, don't have 0.07. You want to change into fractions. Okay, if you want to change into fraction, okay, you must times by 100, because here we have three number, 1 2 3. So you must move the decimal into the right. Okay, how many step? 2 step, because in 100 we have 2 0. So 1 step, 2 step. So now the decimal will be here. Okay, so the answer will be 7/100. Okay, still confused, right? Never mind. I have another example for you. For example, 0.05. I want to convert this one into fractions times by 100. Okay, in 100 we have 2 0. Okay, we have 2 0. So you just move the decimal into the right. 1 step, 2 step. 2 step stand for 2 0 in 100 and put decimal here. So there don't have any value. So the answer will be 5/100. Understand? Very well. Another example for you. This one very easy. How about this one? 0.38. I want to change it to fraction, so I must times by hundreds. So how many 0? 1 0, 2 0. Okay, so move the decimal 2 step. 2 step stand for 2 0. Move to the right, 1 step, 2 step. So become 38/100. Okay, so become 38/100. So very easy actually for you. Another example. If we in class, I mean, always asking me a question like this. Teacher, why become this one? Why become this one? So now I explain to you, I mean. Okay. Another example. 0.59. Change into fractions. So we must times by hundreds. So 100 have 2 0. So move the decimals to the right. So how many steps? 1 step, 2 steps. So 1, 2. So there will be 59/100. Very well, right? Okay, next example. Example 5, I have this kind of question. I have a 98 0.98. Okay, so I want to convert this one into fraction first. So times by hundreds. So how many 0? 2 0. So 1 2. Okay, so become 98/100. 100 stand for total square box. 98 stand for shaded area. So you must shade 98 area. 100 minus 98, so we have another 2 box are not shade. Okay, we have another 2 box that not shade. So you left the box here, 1 box, 2 box. So ready, finish. So you must shade nicely, don't shade like this. This is an example only for you. Okay, so thanks for watching. Okay, now I want you all to answer in quizzes, and marks will be given after you all answer all question there. So thank you for watching.